Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look how you can create a completely free course just with Notion, YouTube and Gumroad. So I brought you an example here. This is the Create and Sell Notion templates free course. You can see you have a landing page. Then people can click on a general introduction, which will be a nice video. They see their progress. Even I embedded some databases. And if we then go on one of the chapters, you can see again, people can check the chapters and go through the videos. If you go into the next chapter, you can see we even embedded a Canva template they can use during the course, different videos and another database. So quite neat for people to use. So how to create this one? So first of all, you just start by creating a normal Notion template. So if someone gets this page, they need to duplicate like a template as they usually do, which is quite easy to create, as you might know as template creators. Then second, quite important, you need to create a YouTube account. And if you then publish your videos, make sure to make the visibility unlisted. Because if you click on unlisted, they won't show up on your YouTube page, so people can't just take your course through your YouTube page, but it's also not private. So whoever has this link, which in our case is embedded in Notion, can view the video. So you kind of have this safe space where your videos are and people can use them during your course, which is quite good. And then finally, just go on Gumroad and upload your template as digital product. And then, as you can see here, you can name it, you can give it a description, add a cover picture, whatsoever. Yeah. And in the content part, make sure to have like a little thank you. And then the link is just a link to wherever you published your template, your Notion template, and then people can open your course and go through your course. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.